A single, empty, pristine sheet of paper. Listen to the crease. It is a deliberate, heavy sound. In Japanese mythology, the crane, or ororu, holds the status of a holy creature. Legend dictates that this bird wanders the earth for exactly 1,000 years. That specific lifespan gave birth to the tradition of Senbazuru. The promise is strict: fold 1,000 paper cranes, and the gods grant a single wish. This puts an immense weight on a fragile object, a method for human hands to physically fold their way toward divine intervention. The most famous invocation of this myth shifted the practice into the harsh sterility of a 1955 hospital ward. 10 years after the atomic bomb flattened Hiroshima, 12-year-old survivor Sadako Sasaki was abruptly pulled out of her normal childhood. The delayed, hidden radiation from the blast finally manifested as a severe leukemia diagnosis. School days and foot races were instantly replaced by the quiet dread of long-term medical isolation. This cramped room became her entire world. Patients lay beneath strings of paper stars, waiting for blood test results. Cornered by the lingering effects of a modern weapon, a child reached for the only tool she had left: the ancient myth of the crane. After a friend reminded her of the Senbazuru, Sadako began folding to ask for her health to return. Paper was strictly rationed. She scavenged whatever material she could find, carefully smoothing out the wax wrappers from her daily medications. When the medicine wrappers ran out, she cut up the decorative paper from get-well gifts to keep the process moving. One fold became 10, 10 multiplied into 100. The sharp snap of paper against her metal tray became a metronome, marking a continuous, desperate prayer for survival. Each completed crane provided physical evidence of her endurance, a small, tangible piece of hope folded into existence. Sadako successfully folded over 1,300 cranes, yet her health did not return. She passed away in October of 1955. Her classmates stepped in to pick up the remaining paper and continue her work. They folded hundreds more themselves, ensuring that she was buried alongside a massive flock of the paper birds they made together. Her death shifted the symbol's meaning, turning a private plea for luck into a collective gesture of enduring hope. As the details of Sadako's final months reached a global audience, the paper crane became a universal symbol for resilience in the face of impossible odds. The Children's Peace Monument stands today in the center of Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. Visitors travel from every continent to drape thousands of their own folded wishes over the stone. Folding a crane today serves as a moment of active participation in a shared memory, requiring a period of deliberate silence. What begins as a blank, isolated sheet of paper ends as a massive, vibrant tapestry of collective intention. Listen once more to the crisp sound of a fold. It carries 1,000 years of human resilience, making the crane a living vessel for peace.